Round of applause to Kapuso TV actor, host, and IMO's brand ambassador, Kenjan! Kenjan is here!
Thank you for that, CJ.
Hi, nice to see you.
Hello po! Hi everyone, mawalang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kenjan. Okay lang ba kayong lahat?
Ngayon, okay na.
Okay na.
Kamusta naman?
Doing good.
Doing good.
I'm happy and you know, I'm a pluviophile person. I love raining eh. Kaya sabi ko,
Really?
I love
Well,
rain.
I love it. It's just that allergies.
Talaga?
Oo.
Ay, ayaw mo na yan.
I know! Kaya nga sabi kanina, high risk ako kasi nagtitake ako ng anti-allergy meds. Tsaka laging puyat.
Laging puyat. Parehas tayo. Yun ang sa mga challenge natin sa buhay.
Well, you know, I'm very excited to talk more about that. But now we would like to open the floor. Unless you absolutely say to everyone pa, baka may palambing ka pa sa kanila, wala naman.
Meron akong sorpresa sa kanilang lahat. Lahat sila makakatang... Hindi, joke.
Alam ko meron. Nagkakaroon din ako.
Pinapaano mo lang. Gusto mo lang happy lang tayo dito. Happy lang tayo dito.
Well, you know, you're one of the generations, parang mas I would say, wholesome na mga actor that everyone loves, that no one can have the energy to hate. Diba? Kaya we're very happy to have you here. Parang good vibes mo lang. Anyway, we will now be opening the floor because I'm sure they have questions, and I personally have questions to you. But we also want to know more those actors of this generation. Now, you're very busy with a lot of things. You have your businesses, you have your career, you're a host, you're an actor, very versatile. Now, for a campaign that has to do with health, why the eyes? Why eye health as something that you want to touch on or to talk about?
Thank you for that question, CJ. Well, it's very important kasi like we use our eyes in our everyday life. Like I live my life. Everything that I love about everything that I love doing involves having proper vision. Lahat sa atin, not only to me, it's lahat sa atin. So, like for example, diving into good books or watching good films. I love. Yes, I do read. I love all kinds.
Mga personal health or genre?
Fictions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Mag-usap tayo mamaya.
Yeah.
But I'm surprised that you still have time to read. And namin yung...
As much as possible. Gusto ko talaga nagbabasa. But it's, I need to refresh my mind.
That's very good. Okay,
so,
go ahead.
Diving into good books or watching good films or even exploring good sites whenever I travel, especially with my line of work, it's very important, you know, reading scripts and all. So, kailangan talaga i-tackle tong, you know, this platform, sabi nga ni Sir Earl, it's a really good platform to really advocate and educate people. Because ginagamit natin yung mga mata natin sa pang-araw-araw na buhay natin, sa ating lifestyle. So with me as an actor, it's very important because I rely on my eyes every time I express my character's emotions.
True, I agree.
So, kung papabayaan ko yung mata ko, wala nang kikitain.
Wala kang kikitain at wala ka nang nakita.
Wala na akong kikitain, wala pa akong makikita. So, it's important, CJ.
May bago na kayong tagline. Thank you so much.
Walang kita kapag walang
nakikita. Ay, magandang campaign yan. And perfect talaga siya.
Perfect diba? So, that's why it's very important.
Okay, so personally, how do you take care of your eyes?
There's a lot of ways how to take care of my eyes. Ito, mga tips lang. Like for example, as much as possible, I eat good food. I mean, not good food, healthy food. I try to balance my diet. I try to have a healthier and better lifestyle. I take my vitamins. I avoid straining my eyes too much, you know, screen time. Sabi nga ni Doc sa akin kanina, dapat alagaan yung mata, huwag masyadong mag-phone. So, there's a limited time lang for my eyes. And of course, pinaka-importante sa lahat, I always bring my IMO wherever I go sa tapings. Totoo yan, because...
Do you have one now?
I have one. Yes, of course.
Akala,
wait lang,
papakala
baka
ko naman sana yung bag.
See? I have. Yeah.
Ay, gamit.
No,
Gamit.
gamit yan.
Ay, fairness sa'yo.
Alam mo si
I
JP,
believe you na.
di ba? Kasi,
Huhulihin ko sana.
Ito totoo. Because, parang, kailangan kong dalhin kasi saan mo ka na magpunta. Parang, syempre, kailangan kong, if you're gonna ask me guys, kung kailan ako nagda-dry eyes, lagi. Hindi ko nga alam, kaya nga tatanungin kasi doktora. Maybe because dun sa environment, sa ginagalawan ko sa set, sa taping, there's a lot of lights. And, late nights, tapings and shootings, it's unavoidable. But sa atin, parang wala na tayong magagawa talaga na doon. So I always have dry eyes. So I always have the, eye mo.
Ang galing kasi ipapa-bag grade talaga sana. In fairness sa'yo, to be fair, tama yung ginawa.
No, but you know what? Ito, nag-binag grade ako.
Oh.
Ng is ni Jillian Ward.
Oh, I think I watched that.
At makikita may eye mo doon.
Oo. Meron tayong mga little things, diba, that we just cannot live without. I'm always the one of yours. Ang galing. Alright, well, now that we are talking about describe to us, kasi creative ka eh. So, describe to us what it does to your eyes. Give us a scenario.
Oh, ito. Naniniwala ba kayo sa love at first sight?
Ay! Kakakilig ba?
Hindi, totoo. Sir, do you believe in life after love? Hindi, joke lang. No, but really, no, CJ, a lot of times, especially with my line of work talaga, tama yung na-amaze ako sa sinabi nito kanina, na kapag yung eyes mo dry, makikita talaga, magre-radiate talaga siya sa, hindi ka masaya tignan.
Parang overall, aura, not just aura, but like the way you deal with people. I can attest to that. Kasi I don't use contact lenses because I'm so scared of touching my eyes. I just do not want to do that. And, di ba pag malabo yung mata mo, usually you go like this, and then, sa akin, very simple lang. People think na mataray, or people think na, or pag hindi mo nakita yung nasa kakilala mo, isipin nila, ay, ba't hindi ako pinapansin? Little things like that have big impact kapag tumagal.
Yes.
And I get you. Yung sinasabi ni Doktora na a little discomfort with your eyes, it affects everything that you do the whole day. Para siyang sakit ng ulo, that parang, iba ka na mag-perform.
Yeah.
And for you mentioned it earlier, your eyes are very important with your line of work kasi it expresses yung character mo, or you build your character around the eyes also.
Yes. So lagi sa sinasabi ng director ko, my director always told me to kapag nakita niya na, Ken, your eyes, hindi talaga, pagod na talaga, dry na talaga. So that's where I put eye mo. Tapos okay na ulit. Okay
so, lagi kang may
Lagi talaga. Talagang lagi.
Nakasingit sa costume lagi.
Lagi yan. Pero hindi ko yan gagamitan kapag kailangan umiyak. That's a big no-no.
Talent. Talent talaga.
Talent talaga. Hindi, joke